Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Clip 4 speaker with any MacBook. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge this speaker for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port. And next, you can find this power button. It's located right here next to the Bluetooth button, and we have to click and hold this power button until this indicator turns on, this one. Right now you can release that button and then click once on this Bluetooth button. Right now it is blinking quickly and there is this sound, the pairing sound. So right now just put it close to your MacBook and simply move to the system settings. Then go to the Bluetooth on the left side. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and from the nearby devices list you have to select your JBL Clip 4. So click on the connect button. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, and at the end you can just go to the sound settings and be sure that for the output device we successfully select the JBL Clip 4. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.